Krisbow, a renowned name in industrial tools, now extends to measuring and test instrumentation. Drinking water is vital to our life. Municipal and potable water are regulated. The World Health Organization recommends drinking water to be within the range of 6.5 to 8.5 pH and a water concentration of below 500 ppm as some of the basic parameters. Point-of-use water filters like reverse osmosis filtration systems can greatly improve water quality. Periodical checks on the TDS of product water can give alarm for servicing or filter expiry at the right time. This will prolong the filter lifespan, which is dependent on individual usage volume. Ionized water has been a new trend of healthy living. Effective alkaline water should have a redox potential of -500 millivolts, while acidic water produced for cleaning and disinfection should have a redox potential of above 400 millivolts. Servicing of swimming pools or spas can be expensive if regular checks on pool water is not performed. Control of pH and TDS of pool water can prevent corrosion and scaling. Scaling can choke pipelines over time while increasing load to the water pump and increase electricity usage. The eventual result is damage to the water pump. Preventive value of the pool water should have a pH of between 7.2 to 7.6 and a TDS of below 2000 ppm. Chlorination for pool safety can be measured using the redox tester. Disinfection is most effective when pool water is between 650 to 750 millivolts. While chlorine can remain in water, its effectiveness can reduce over time and exposure to sunlight. Water is like our breathing air to fishes and invertebrates. When the pH is right, fishes will glow and invertebrates bloom in full colors. Water concentration also determines how fish mate and spawn. pH and water concentration should be nearest to the fish's native environment to thrive well. The Eco-pH tester is a perfect tool to measure the pH of aquaria. It's a breeze to use the meter to adjust pH levels. Use pH tester to measure pH measurement and conductivity tester to measure water concentration. Here are some of the unique features of our pocket testers. Our tester only requires a single press of the button to perform the task of calibration in a standard solution. The meter will automatically sense and detect a stabilized reading and then lock into an endpoint reading. This feature making calibration a breeze. The tester is also water resistant even when it's dropped into water. Testers will float to allow immediate retrieval. The tester is shock resistant. It can withstand a fall as high as 6 feet. Apart from the pocket testers, a range of high-precision portable meters specially designed for industrial, educational and professional use. They have large displays to simultaneously show basic readings and temperature readings at the same time. They're able to store up to 99 memory and connect a PC for online measurement. The professional portable meter comes with high-quality and top-grade electrode or sensor with 1 meter cable for intensive usage. These electrodes or sensors are fully replaceable when damaged or expired. Application for the industrial-grade professional portable meters include: it is regulatory that water discharge from factories should have a pH between 6.5 to 8.5 and TDS of below 500 ppm. This will save the environment and protect our water supply from pollution. Both pH and conductivity or TDS are monitored as part of the quality control system to ensure production consistency and quality. There are many processes which require consistent quality of raw material, which is checked before process and during mixing, proofing and end product control. One example is cheese production, where pH is monitored for the aging process to determine its grade. In bakery, pH is monitored to determine the right time of dough proofing. This gives the bakery the edge of consistent quality of texture of the end product. In syrup and juice mixing, raw materials varies batch to batch. TDS or conductivity can be monitored to fine-tune mixing processes to ensure consistency of the end product. In printing process, pH of fountain water can greatly affect print quality. Therefore, control on pH of fountain water will ensure good print quality. In paper production, pH is monitored and controlled during the paper making processes and also waste disposal. In enclosed aquaculture and hatchery, water quality is of most importance to ensure lowest mortality rate. pH control for each species of fish during different stages of growth is necessary. Carbon dioxide accumulation can be monitored through pH of water. In intensive mass culture pond, oxygen is of most importance. Dissolved oxygen less than 4 ppm in water can wipe out the entire stock within hours. Therefore, regular check of dissolved oxygen is an important and preventative measure. For marine culture, seawater concentration is important for both fish and crustacean. Saltwater concentration can be measured using a conductivity meter. In plant culture, nutrient is the key to a successful harvest. The control of pH and concentration of nutrients for each different species of plant will help to ensure consistency of timely harvest and mature fruiting. Here is a testimony from a satisfied customer who uses our pH and TDS meters in the hydroponics farming industry.
My name is Eileen. I'm the manager of Old Chin Hua Hydroponic Farm. We have been around for 21 years. Basically, my responsibility is to do projects with school. Other than that, also involved in the purchasing of products for this company. One of the products which I use a lot is these two meters, the pH meter as well as the nutrient check meter. These two meters is very important to my farm because when we use it for measuring our nutrient formulation, we basically are able to read the readings off the screen. This is very important for my farm. For the vegetables to grow well, we will need to know exactly whether the pH or the nutrient concentration is correct or not. Other than that, why we pick these two meters? These two meters are very important to us. They are able to read off screen. Therefore, even with my foreign workers, they are able to use these 2 meters efficiently. Apart from that, these 2 meters are durable. But most importantly, they are affordable. Most of all, these 2 meters in the farm, they help us to manage our nutrient formulation very well. And also for hobbyists, which are some of my clients, they are also using these 2 meters because this will also help them to grow their crops easily. That's why I would highly recommend people who want to go into hydroponics to get these 2 meters from Trans Instrument.